6 easy ways to protect your walls from scratches and scuff marks. Dear friends, your walls play a big role in keeping your home looking clean and beautiful, but they're often exposed to scratches, scuffs, and marks from daily activities, furniture, or even pets. Over time, these small damages can make your interiors look worn out and untidy. To maintain their fresh and polished appearance, it's important to take simple preventive measures. Here are 6 of the best ways to protect your walls from getting scratches and keep them looking as good as new. 1. Use wall guards or chair rails. Install PVC, rubber, or wooden wall guards, also called wall bumpers, at the height where furniture usually touches the wall. These are ideal for dining rooms, hallways, and office spaces and adds both protection and a decorative element. 2. Keep furniture away from walls. Maintain at least a few inches of gap between furniture and walls. Use furniture stoppers or rubber pads behind sofas and beds to prevent them from rubbing the wall. These also helps with air circulation and prevents damp marks. 3. Apply washable or scrub-resistant paint. Choose washable, high-quality emulsion paints like satin or semi-gloss finish. These paints are easy to clean without damaging the color and perfect for homes with kids or pets. 4. Install decorative wall panels or wallpaper. Wall panels, MDF, PVC, or fabric, or textured wallpaper add a protective layer over the wall surface. They resist scuffs and scratches and enhance your interior design at the same time. 5. Use corner guards. Corners are most prone to scratches and chipping. Install transparent acrylic or stainless steel corner guards to protect them. These are easy to install and available in different finishes. 6. Regular cleaning and maintenance. Dust and grime can cause abrasions over time. Wipe walls gently using a soft microfiber cloth. Avoid harsh cleaners that can dull the finish. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.